Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So the BLU launched their new smartphone BLU G90 with a 6.5-inch LCD and triple camera with Android 10. The latest entry level offering from a US-based BLU is here. Meet the G90. It's built around a 6.5-inch IPS LCD with a HD plus resolution and a water drop notch for the 13 megapixel selfie camera. Around the back we have 16 megapixel primary camera alongside 8 megapixel ultrawide snapper and a 2 megapixel deep sensor. There is also a capacitive fingerprint reader on the back side. The G90 runs on the MediaTek Helio A25 chipset paired with just 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigabytes of storage, which is further expandable via the micro SD slot. The phone boots Android 10 while the battery comes in 4000 mAh, and there also a bundled 10-watt charger. BLU is also throwing in a rugged TPU case, glass screen protector, barred Type-C cable and wired earphone in the box. The BLU G90 come in a black, magenta, white and a blue colors and will retail for $150. It's already on a sale in the US through Amazon. Link in the description, you can check it out with a 50% discount. In addition to the G90, BLU also introduced the G80, which bring the similar core specs as the G90, but it's powered by the Helio P23 SoC and feature a 13 megapixel primary camera around the back. It will retail a $140 in a single 3 gigs of RAM and 64 gigabytes of storage option. So this is the new BLU smartphone. If you like this smartphone, make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. I'll see you in my next video guys. Peace out. Bye bye.